to another one of my Photoshop tutorials. This is a quick one called Some of My Photoshop Tools Are Missing. What I've noticed with the latest versions of Photoshop is that occasionally when you're using the system, especially when it starts up for the first time, you will find some of your Photoshop tools are missing, hence the title. Here's an example. I want to use my lasso tools. Now, I know that there are 3 lasso tools to be used. There is the freehand lasso tool, so I can just click and drag and draw weird and funny shapes for selections. Control D to deselect. There's the polygon lasso tool, which works. You just click and you can create a polygon and say, this is the area that I'm selecting. Control D to deselect. And finally, there's the magnetic lasso tool. Wait, it's not there. Right, the reason why this is down to Photoshop's Workspaces. In an effort to help you, what the guys and girls at Adobe have done is they've created Workspace, and each workspace gives you the tools that they think that you need to work in that workspace. So for 3D, they've only given me the 2 lasso tools. If I want to find all the lasso tools, I have to select the correct workspace. Now, if you're not sure, click on every darn workspace till you find the one that you want. But I'm going to go and have a look at painting. Not there. Going to look at graphic and web. Yeah, not there. Going to go to essentials. Hey presto, we can see the tools have changed and there's all 3 lasso tools. You may find that really useful. It's not just the lasso tools, it's other tools that can disappear according to the workspace that you are working on. This is Dan Hunter. That's been a very quick and digestible Photoshop tutorial. Have a great day.